Hi friends, I'd like to show you this train wreck of a used air conditioner I just bought for 10 bucks. The woman I bought it from insisted that there was no black or green mold in it, but it's got a Welling motor. Those are pretty good. They were used by Frigidaire, etc. This is a Hyundai unit from 2009. It uses R-22, which is kind of a plus for me to keep reusing these older units. And it's got a motor here, a Reiki compressor. That's a Reiki compressor. Again, very commonly used in products like a Mana original equipment manufacturer product. But check out the problem here. This is what I'm talking about. This is mold. I am going to hit that with a 25% solution of bleach and the rest water, with scrub brushes, toothbrushes, and my gloves, protective gear. And here she is, guys, cleaned up 5 hours later with that bleach solution, toothbrushes, scrub brushes, rags, just everywhere. You may have noticed the ductwork was broken in the beginning. I had difficulty taking that out of the blower fan, and really I should have released the blower fan first instead of trying to force that out. However, I did repair that with Elmer's ProBond glue. I've had great success with that before, and it works with foam boards, so that was good. And construction adhesive, all solvent-free. You've got to use solvent-free with styrofoam. Also, I used King Weatherseal foam tape to replace all the deteriorated foam. So that was good. Also, I applied white lithium grease to all the areas where there was some rust. I must have it on low fan right now. Let's go to low cool. You'll hear that. Hear that compressor? So that's a good sign. Yeah, 2009 was the year before R-22 was phased out in consumer appliances like this. And I'm just testing it here in my apartment, obviously. Wow, that's really coming out nice and cold now, guys. All the way across. Just really nice. That dry ice R-22 Freon feeling back in the old days reminds me of when I was a kid. So it'll be a great backup unit. Actually, I'm already thinking that next summer I'm going to use this as my primary unit just for fun. What do you think? Thanks for coming along, and I hope you subscribe to my channel as well.